Guys, I'm Klie Larson and this video is all about beginners makeup tutorial because this tutorial can help you about to learn makeup if you're the newbie and you'll get started to learn makeup and all the stuff. This video it's really helpful, so please watch till the end. And firstly, I'm going to teach you the basics things that can teach you about the foundations and concealers and everything. So let's get started. Step 1, the foundation. Here's the thing that don't put foundation too much on your face and choose the foundation that matches your skin, not the shade that too dark or too much whiter than your skin. So this one is the foundation brush, and you doesn't have to do anything, just brush and brush. The next step, we're going to apply the concealer. Concealers are only about to the touch-ups and the smaller black areas, and they don't want to be seen. That's why we're going to use the concealer. So you can see this is the beauty blender. This is for use for the excess makeup and excess concealer foundation. Just you have to do the dab. Next step, the blush. Blush is really important for the makeup because this gets your cheeks so beautiful and red. Though what color you want, it's get be turned into. I'm going to use the baby pink shade. I don't know what name it is, but I name it baby pink. Oh, maybe it's too much. Did you see the difference about this side is the blush and this side is nothing? Did you see? Maybe because I see a little bit. Again too much. Maybe now you can see the difference. Yeah, it looks so beautiful. Am I going to apply the eyeliner or not? Or maybe I'm do the eye makeup? No, not gonna do this because I'm not gonna do on this video because this maybe make a future video. So you have to wait until I make. So please wait. And I'm also going to make video about what stuffs you buy and for what concealer and which is the perfect and which is on the maybe the title affordable makeup accessories. So you have to subscribe for the updates. Final and the last step is the lip gloss. Maybe you can say the lipstick. This is from Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is our result, the final makeup and the result. Did I look good or not? I don't know. Yeah, maybe I'm look good. You can also say that this will be the red cherry and the glam makeup. But I like it, the cherry glam party, and what do you call? This is the makeup. You can call anything, there are just so many names, but all makeups are same. So make sure you please like, share and subscribe to Klie Larson.